I am a 49-year-old YouTuber, and I thought I'd create this video to show my experience after being on YouTube for a year. I took early retirement, and after a year of traveling and watching other travel vloggers, I thought to myself, I can do this. It'll be an extra income. You know, it's easy. Just go, point, and click. And it's easy. I thought about it for a while before I went into it to make sure it wasn't a rash decision. Took me another 2-3 months toying with it, thinking about it. When I started, I was like, okay, I'll just create a video, any video, they'll watch it. Me being cute or, anything, they'll watch it, right? Just create it and they'll come, right? I made quite a lot of errors. After numerous unsuccessful videos, I realized they will not watch anything. I realized that YouTube is a very competitive platform, and I'm going to tell you all the mistakes I made in the beginning, so you won't make them yourself. It's been 1 year and 3 months, and it has not worked yet. I have been working to the point of burnout. I really thought it was going to be easy, hence why I'm like, let me make this video to share with other prospective YouTubers what I wish I knew when I started. One of those mistakes was thinking that if I just make it, they'll watch it. They won't. They have way too many options, regrettably, on YouTube to sit and watch the bad videos that I was putting out. So I went back to the game plan after about 3 to 6 months making videos, working, gathering media, trying to say, okay, thinking my niche I thought was travel, right? So the best things to do in Bali, the best things to do here, the best things to do there. And these videos would not work. And they did not work because all I had was my phone, and you have these people that have all these things flying in the sky, coming down, all this music, all this other stuff that I don't know how they do it. So in my video go against theirs to say what's the best things to do in Bali, I get like 5-10 views, and everybody else gets a lot because my videos are not up to sketch. So if you're gonna come on YouTube and do a travel video, I recommend watch the best ones and see how you can compete. I wish I did that initially, because starting out with bad videos gave me a low ranking. So I was stuck at 30 subscribers for a long time. And because I started out at a low ranking, each time my video comes out, then I'd only get maybe 10 views, 15 views, 20 views, 100 views. Because it's the system has my videos at a very low ranking, because I started out very low. Each time when I feel burnt out and doubt comes into my mind, I keep thinking to myself, Will I make it? I won't make it. Will I make it? I won't make it. And then Snoop Dogg's always come into my mind. You know, he did a speech, and I thought his speech was so funny. His speech said, I want to thank me for never giving up. I want to thank me for all the hard work that I did to get here. And initially I thought, really? Snoop, really? But then when you think about it, each time when I'm working and I'm trying and I'm working and I'm trying and I'm feeling burnt out, I remember what he said. I want to thank me for not giving up. The other mistake I made is when I was working on YouTube and I was doing the travel videos, I had one very good one, and then I switched because it wasn't giving me the amount of subscribers I wanted. And then I realized if I make the monkey shorts, it would give me the subscribers. So I switched to the monkey shorts to try to get these subscribers, you know, real quick, and then to make other long videos. And then it took me longer than I thought to get to that 500. And then by the time I got there, my hours, my watch hours, because the shorts don't give me the watch hours, my watch hours were so severely behind. So now I've been on YouTube for a year and about 3 months. I have enough subscribers, but I don't have the watched hours. And because of that, I also don't have a niche. I don't have people who are watching my videos when I make my travel videos. So now I have to go back and make travel videos and try to find a niche. Try to find subscribers who will actually be watching my videos. Because each time when I make a video now, enough viewers are not watching it, so the system just says, oh, her videos are not good. You know, I try not to take it personally. However, that was another mistake that I made. In this time of working while I was traveling night, I'd go out in the daytime, I'd make the videos, I'd run around like crazy, then I'd go back in the night, I'd edit the videos, you know, trying to travel, edit, and then post them. It really burns you out. I really didn't think it was going to be so hard to make travel videos. I thought it was really very, very easy. So if you're planning to make travel videos, just know that it's a lot of work. It's not just going to be you traveling and come back and make a video and everybody watches it. It's a very, very competitive area. Another thing that you should really think about before you start doing the videos is that life happens. While I was away, I thought, okay, you know, I'm going to come back to the US, I'm going to sell my house, and I will be able to go and travel and do whatever I want to do, more light-hearted. I had no idea what was going on in America, especially in Florida, in terms of trying to get your house sold. So I'm back in the US now, and I've been back for a couple months trying to sell my house on a very, very bad market. And I don't know when I'll be able to go and travel again to continue to make my videos. So this is what happens. Life happens. If being on YouTube is your dream and that's really what you want, I say go for it. Don't give up. Just go into it knowing it's going to be a lot of work. I didn't know that. Go into it knowing it's going to be a lot of work, and it will pay off in the end. I believe, for me, it will pay off in the end. So I am not giving up, and neither should you. So I wish you well in your channel, and if you like this video, Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, March the 1st. As I work to try to get monetized within 90 days, and I do my records of where I am, what the bot does, you know. At first, I was fighting the bot, and that was a great mistake. I was thinking if I hit it hard enough with a lot of good materials, it would permit me, to go. No, it locks you out of the system. When I moved from 2 posts a day to 3 posts a day, the system started thinking it of spam. So because of that, it locked me out of the system for 2 days. I'm going on the road right now to get some more footages of our lovely monkeys and post different types with the label, without label, because as you look at the analytics, going on the road. So we're on our way. Maybe you won't bother. So today, to find those adorable monkeys, we're going to 3 different locations. So we're in the car, getting ready to go to our second destination. My box is acting glitchy. So box 2 memory is going wacky. So I don't have time. So I have to go down to the mall real quick to get some more external memory. YouTube! Okay, so I'm buying 2 backup boxes from here. So let's see how it goes. So yesterday we removed all the shorts that were not given us subscribers. So we're down to about 20 of the best ones. I'm going back to posting once a day to see if I can force the system to re-show some of the good ones. Another hotel change. Another hotel change. Hotel change again. Okay, just returned from my first post and walk away. Didn't even watch it or liked it. Normally, I watch it first and give it a thumbs up to get it going on its way. Now I'm like, you guys should be more mature now. Scoot, scoot. So it posted itself. So far it's at 8 views. I did change my schedule for posts from 2 times a day to now 1 time a day, which is more manageable. This way I can manage to do other things and have a life. So I am going to go to bed because I got to wake up American time. It's now 11 a.m. in Vietnam, which is 11 p.m. in America. So I have to go to sleep now. As hard as it is, we must get up. Hard to get up. But I can't sleep here. Grab dropped me off at the wrong place. But it's a mile from the hotel. So, notes. After almost crashing last week, fighting the bot, fighting thing, I made one pledge to myself. Post, walk away, go enjoy your day. Okay, having breakfast. So, decision made. Okay, either go good or bad. I'm gonna get an ape outfit for when I go to the next location. I'm gonna wear it to see the monkeys. Huh. Okay, so I'm dropping down on my longer videos. I'm dropping down on my longer videos. Every time I make something other than the monkey video, I get grossly punished for it. My numbers go down, no one watches it. So I'm just gonna stick to the monkey videos. Break. For the next 4 days, I will be making all monkey videos. Hotel change. We are now in Pattaya Beach. I'm here in Vietnam. I came to Vietnam because it was raining and I needed to focus and stay still for a minute. But it's been like I locked myself in a prison here. This is working every day, going to run for an hour just to stay focused on the direction that I want to take my life. I know I look like crap. I haven't been sleeping. I just can't sleep because I'm just having too much fun with this. Now my average views per short is at 500. So I am going to I'm gonna wear the monkey suit, put my monkey suit on, and go get some new footage in. That's the plan, right? Ordered some stuff from Amazon to help me on my journey. The first package came today. So we will see. We're trying to get to that 500. Snack time for my monkey darlings. We are gonna get some footages today. Thank you guys for getting me to 500 subscribers. I absolutely love it.